Hello, my name is Chris Palmer, and in today's video, how to find quality expired domains. Now, when we are talking about finding and buying expired domains, we not only want high quality metrics and traffic, but we also want to find the perfect expired domains before everyone else. So in this video, I'm going to introduce you to maybe some brand new services that can help you find the best quality expired domains, even some drop catchers that can get them before anybody else so you can beat your competitors. So I'm going to walk through 6 or 7 services that can really help you find the best domains. But first, what exactly is drop catching? What are expired domains? I'm sure you already know, but drop catchers or drop catching is the process of registering expired domains by the means of automated systems within a short period of time, even within a fraction of a second after being canceled by the registry. Simply put, the auto registration of domains in the moment of deletion. Now, what this is there are some private services which I use. However, there are a few that can really help you get your feet wet with this type of service so you can get the best domains, the best expired domains. I mean, they're really grabbing them before anybody else. So let me just first give you, of course, dropcatch.com. If you've never heard there or seen these particular sites before, they have a lot. There's private sellers, there's drop, there's pending delete. They have 600,000 pending delete websites. So they're about to be deleted. I mean, they have a huge database that they're searching. This is a relatively well-known service, so maybe it might not be the best to beat your competitors. Now, with that said, there's pool.com. Again, a vast selection. They have excellent domains. You can definitely find some that maybe slip through the cracks or perhaps your competitors have not seen. I mean, this listing is endless. They have back order tools. You can sign up for an account. Again, they have tools that are running nonstop. You will be able to find some quality domains. Now, let me just move on into the very next one. I'm not sure if you've ever used this before. Nidoma. They have everything from domain buying, domain selling, premium domains. They have their own marketplace. Again, when you're inside of these lists, you're looking at drop catchers that are offering stuff. You're going to pay maybe a little bit more sometimes, but at the end of the day, is it worth it for a quality domain with quality metrics that's receiving traffic and has the best links that you can possibly find? Now, let's just keep moving on. We also have Dynadot. This is a relatively well-known service. However, excellent service. Really take a look. It's called Dynadot. Feel free to browse. I mean, they have a lot of domains, all your top level domains, along with a lot of other features that you could definitely find useful. Now, a lesser known but an excellent choice is Catch Tiger, and I'm not affiliated with any of these companies. I'm just trying to help you on your journey to finding expired domains that are cheap, finding expired domains that you can use a service that's free, that you can get powerful domains. I mean, I'm just trying to help you out here with your process. So this is Catch Tiger. Again, they have expired domains, a domain marketplace. Each of these marketplaces have different sellers, different drop catchers that are all working together. They all have their own individual markets. Now, again, they may be pulling from some of the same sources, but a lot of them are not. So it's really good to look through all of these different platforms, all of these different services, all of these different expired domain issuers to get the best deals. Now, another one that could really help you out is called Phoenix. This is an excellent service. I've used this before. Really take a look here. You can get a lot of stuff that maybe you would not find in any other places. So definitely give these guys a try. Take a look at what they have to offer. And last but not least, if you'd like to see a little bit more, this is an excellent tool. I've been using this for quite some time now. This is moonsy.com. They're giving you the trust flows and the domain authorities. I mean, they're giving you a way to check auction domains. It's giving you the quality of the search, the quality of the website. So this is an excellent service and it's highly recommended, but I'm not affiliated by any stretch of the imagination. So my name is Chris Palmer. Also check the first comment if you want to help out the channel. My name's Chris Palmer. If you have any questions, always feel free to ask in the comments, and I look forward to seeing you in the next How to Find a Quality Expired Domain video. Have a wonderful day.